Really appreciate you sending those in. Going from auroras to fog in the sky. Article over here at dailymail.com. Article saying mysterious fog with chemical smell is making Americans not feel too good after exposure to it. Article goes on to say reports of the fog began late in December in parts of Texas, Wisconsin, Iowa, Maryland, Virginia, West Virginia, Nebraska, Kansas, Oklahoma, North Dakota, Florida, Minnesota, just to name a few. I've got Colorado and Oregon to add to that list here in just a minute. Locals have flooded social media with videos explaining their symptoms since the fog appeared in the area. And people are reporting a variety of pesky things like sinus issues, sore throat, feeling a little bit lethargic, a wide variety of pesky issues after they were exposed to this mysterious fog that once again is not only limited to the United States. This is showing up, from what I understand, all around the world. This first video has narration. It comes out of Salem, Oregon. People are saying this stuff really isn't like fog. They're a bit perplexed as to what they're seeing in the nighttime sky. This video footage was sent in by Johnny from January 6th of 2025 at 2:30 a.m. Once again, out of Salem, Oregon. This video has narration. Here we go.
This is called a Brinnet Rescue Angel. It's a handheld searchlight. It's not a flashlight. It's so bright that it will blind you. It will also start a fire if you point it at something flammable. It's not the brightest handheld searchlight on the planet, but it throws a beam of light twice as far as the brightest searchlight on the planet at a mile. We're going to take this flashlight and let's just go see outside here what we got. That is not fog. If we go under the eave, you can see its individual particles. Those are individual particles, and that's under the eave, you see. But if you go outside the eave, let's go outside the eave. You see tons of this crap. I have no idea what this crap is. But I can tell you one thing. It isn't fog. Look at that. It's like snow. Except it's 50 degrees outside. It's just waves and waves and waves of it up high. That is just crazy.
And as you heard Johnny say, this stuff looked like snow, but it was 50 degrees outside, so there's no way it could have been snow. It was unlike anything he had ever seen before. He also shared this video right here. This is a security camera on his house, taken about an hour before the video that he just took with his flashlight. I've got this in fast forward for presentation purposes. This video was taken at 1:38 a.m. The video that he just shared with us was taken around 2:30, 2:40 in the morning. So about an hour later. So this had been going on for a while whenever he did the video with the flashlight. Once again, this is a security camera on the outside of his house, and you can see this stuff coming down pretty heavy, and it looks like snow. But keep in mind, as this video is recording right now, it's 50 degrees outside in this location in Salem, Oregon. Going from Salem, Oregon to Aurora, Colorado. This video was sent in from the night of January 4th, 2025 by Dan M. Video taken at 5:28 a.m. when he too encountered the thick fog. Dimming the lights in the distance, you can see a car here going by. The lights look dim on it. You can see there's a pretty thick fog presence in his location around Aurora, Colorado in the early morning hours of January 4th of 2025. I also received another video. This video was sent in by Jesse. I'm not sure of the location, but the date says 12/28/2024 at 21:14. That would be 9:14 p.m. And you can see what looks like fog. I'm going to put this in fast forward for presentation purposes. You can clearly see very foggy in this location. And you can also see the presence of those particles in the sky. And once again, I'm waiting to hear back from Jesse on the exact location of this video. These things you see right up here at the top, what look like bright lights, that's the remnant of a cobweb in front of the camera. The rest of the stuff you see, definitely fog.